Assalamualaikum. So today I want to present about my assignment for hydraulic subject. So let me read the problem statement first. A steel production line consists 2 double acting cylinder and 1 hydraulic motor. The system also equipped with 10-liter accumulator as a power backup and emergency. The first cylinder is positioned in vertically coupled with a die for cold stamping process. The optimum pressure for stamping process is 4000 psi. The accuracy is very important to maintain a perfect shape in every stamp. The second cylinder only operates with 200 psi and position horizontally to push and level the workpiece at the stacking area. Lastly, the hydraulic motor is used to power up the conveyor system with a system pressure of 100 psi. So this is the requirement, alright? Okay. Design a hydraulic and electrical wiring diagram to suit with the application. You need to complete your design with the most relevant hydraulic equipment and input element in the electrical circuit. Please make use of FluidSim software to test out your design functionality. Number 2, please discuss your circuit by explaining the criteria in choosing the type of valve, sensors, and a relevant safety feature. The discussion must be more than 1 page. If you can see, this is the circuit. Alright, so this is the hydraulic circuit design and this is the electric circuit design. Alright, okay, we push the start, and if you can see at line 4 and line 5, I make safety interlock. Alright, so at line 4 just for the forward direction and line 5 is for the reverse direction at the conveyor. Alright, so then I push the proximity sensor. I use inductive sensor and we will extend and retract for 2 seconds. Okay, alright, so then I push the second proximity sensor at the cylinder 2. Alright, same, after 2 seconds it will retract. Alright, if you can see, I use pressure relief valve. Okay, because we want to release 4000 psi pressure because we want to stamp. And for the cylinder 2 and the hydraulic motor, we want to release 200 psi. Okay, and for the hydraulic motor, we just want to release 100 psi. So I put the pressure reducing valve because from the 4000 psi, we just want to release 200 psi for the cylinder 2 and 100 psi for the hydraulic motor because we just want to conveyor to move the product. Lastly, I put the accumulator. Okay, basically the function of accumulator is in case of power failure, the accumulator provide a temporary power source, allow for safe completion of the current stamping cycle, and a control return of cylinder to a safe position. Alright, so for the function of pressure relief valve, basically this is essential to protect the hydraulic component from excess pressure, especially if you can see in cylinder 1, which operate at a high pressure of 4000 psi. The relief valve opens when pressure exceeds the set limit to preventing system damage and maintaining safety. And if you can see at the electrical design circuit, okay, for the sensor, like I said earlier, I use inductive sensor. Inductive sensor are installed at each cylinder's endpoint to detect the presence of the cylinder's metal component as they reach their extended or retracted position. Okay, when the cylinder reaches its endpoint, the inductive sensor senses the metal and sends a signal to the control system, indicating that the cylinder has reached its limit. Okay, this contactless detection prevents overextension or excessive retraction of the cylinder, because we just want to make sure reliable positioning while reducing wear on the sensor and protecting boss equipment and workpieces. Alright, okay, I think that's all from me. Thank you. Bye.